Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'll be talking about how you can grow busy lizzies from cuttings. The first thing you need to do is cut off a shoot 5 to 10 centimeters long from an established plant and then put it into some water and just leave a couple of leaves or so at the top. Now leave it on a windowsill for 3 to 4 weeks out of direct sunlight and you should start to see some roots like this one. Now for potting up, I've left this one a bit longer and as you can see the roots are getting quite long now. Need to be gentle here, the roots are quite delicate. I'm just putting a small piece of paper in the bottom of the pot to stop the soil falling out. And here I've got some coconut coir that I like to use. The roots can get in really easily, but you can use any potting mix really, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to fill the pot close to the top and then add the cutting. Now I can continue to just gently add soil around the cutting, like so. And then I gave the pot a good watering with some rainwater. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more gardening related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.